Ever wish you could clone yourself just to take notes during meetings? Well, meet the next best thing, Otter.ai. Whether you're in business, school, or content creation, this AI assistant might just save you hours every week. Otter.ai is a smart transcription and meeting assistant that captures conversations in real time. It automatically records, transcribes, summarizes, organizes everything from meetings and interviews to lectures and brainstorming sessions. Otter transcribes audio live during your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams calls. You can see the text appear as people speak in real time, which is awesomely uber cool. Now, they've got an AI meeting assistant that can join your meetings for you, records the call, captures shared slides, and sends you a neat summary with action items. You don't even have to be there. And after the meeting, you can chat with Otter like ChatGPT, ask it what the action items were, who said what, or even have it draft a follow-up email. It now supports English, Spanish, and French, so it's becoming more global friendly. Otter works with Google Calendar, Slack, Zoom, and more to automate scheduling and transcription seamlessly. It also works with business teams, sales, HR, and managers use it to keep track of meetings and follow-ups. No more what did we agree on again moments. As students and educators, it helps students transcribe lectures instantly and review content later. And if you're interviewing someone, Otter gets you a clean transcript that you can quote from directly. Now, it has a free plan with 300 minutes per month and lets you import a few recordings. If you need more power, like automated summaries or longer meetings, their paid plans unlock the full toolset. Otter.ai is not just a note taker. It's like having a second brain in every meeting. Whether you're overwhelmed with Zoom calls or just want to stay organized without lifting a pen, it's definitely worth a try. Let me know if you've tried it. And for more videos like this, make sure to let me know in the comments. You can like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.